Long ago, in a quiet little village in Italy, there lived a kind old woodcarver named Geppetto. He loved making toys and puppets, but he was very lonely. One day, he carved a wooden puppet shaped like a little boy. "Ah, I wish you were a real boy," sighed Geppetto. That night, a magical blue fairy appeared and touched the puppet with her wand. To Geppetto's surprise, the puppet blinked, stretched, and began to move. "Hello, Papa," said the wooden boy. His name was Pinocchio. The fairy told Pinocchio, "If you are brave, truthful, and unselfish, one day you will become a real boy." Pinocchio was excited, but he was also very curious and often got into trouble. To guide him, the fairy sent a little cricket named Jiminy Cricket to be his conscience. But Pinocchio didn't always listen. When he skipped school to join a puppet show, he was praised by the sly puppeteer, but soon realized he was being used. Another time, he lied to the fairy and suddenly, his nose grew longer and longer. Ashamed, Pinocchio promised to be honest. Yet again, he was tempted by bad friends who lured him to the land of toys, where boys who misbehaved turned into donkeys. Pinocchio barely escaped. In the end, Pinocchio learned the greatest lesson when his father Geppetto was swallowed by a giant whale. Pinocchio bravely rescued him, proving his love and courage. The blue fairy saw his goodness and rewarded him. One morning, Geppetto awoke to find Pinocchio no longer made of wood. He was a real boy. Geppetto hugged him tightly, tears of joy in his eyes. Pinocchio had finally learned that being truthful, kind, and brave was what made him truly real. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.